Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of From the Floor. We got Ben and Will here, and today we're going to take a look at our larger rotary screw compressor. This is a 35 horsepower. Last time we looked at the 7.5 horsepower rotary screw. So this one's putting out a bit more air than that. Generally the machines are the same, you've still got a rotary screw element, still got a motor. This one, instead of being belt driven, is actually a gear drive unit, and it's got an integrated dryer as well, all within one canopy. If you remember last time, it was a separate canopy to the side. So this one is all included. Ben, did you want to go ahead and open this thing up and we can take a look inside?
Sure. Well, when you first open it up, the first thing you're going to see is a big oil separator reservoir. We also have our oil filter and our oil separator element. Now, what this does is this prevents the oil from leaving the compressor with the air. We have about a 3 parts per million carryover, which is a very good carryover of oil. That means that very little oil is going downstream and getting into your air lines and into your equipment. We basically have 3 different types of more advanced controllers. We have our ES4000 Basic, our ES4000 Standard, and our ES4000 Advanced. So the ES4000 Standard is going to give you a few different options. You're going to get to see the number of running hours. You'll get to see the number of loaded hours. You also have automatic restart after voltage failure, which is a great option, especially for people that have intermittent power. We also have the ability to have both service and shutdown alarms, as well as several other features. Now, one great thing about the ES4000 Standard is that it can easily be upgraded to the ES4000 Advanced. All you have to do is pop it out, pop the Advanced in. Now you have a weekly timer where you can set your weekly schedules. You can adjust your pressure bands on a weekly schedule, as well as have the ability to sequence between multiple compressors. This is a great compressor. You're going to get about 140 to 150 standard cubic feet per minute out of this unit.
Thanks again for tuning in today, guys. This has been a quick overview of some of our larger oil-injected screw machines that we have here at Chicago Pneumatic Compressors. If you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like us to clarify on these machines, please just reach out to us on cpcompressors.com or any of our social media platforms that you'll find in the description below.